This is pretty much the old screen of the application, and you have quite a lot of features which you can use. At the top, you may see some features which require pro subscription. You also have the remove background option there as well using AI. You have the logo design using AI. You have the AI model option here, which if you tap on this option will pretty much show you what it does. And as you can see here, all they have to do is just add a clear image of your product. Make sure you do remove the background as well so you can get the best results. And if I go back here, you have the AI background, which is pretty much for the products. And if I tap on this option here, it pretty much shows you what it does. All you have to do is just upload an image, as you can see here, and it will pretty much change the background for you so you can sell your products faster. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the logo option here where you can go and generate your own logos using prompt. If you have anything in mind, you just enter here, your brand name, whatever it is. If you don't have any logo in mind, you want something from the AI, you can tap on inspiration, or you can add a photo as a reference. In the advanced option here, you can add things that you don't want the AI to generate within that image. Here, let's say for exclude unwanted elements from image as well. So down here you can select whichever style you want to use, how you want the design to look. Some of them you may need pro subscription to use, so do keep that in mind. If you want to see all of the styles that they offer, just tap on the see all option here so you can see a lot of styles which you can choose from. So that's pretty much it for that there. And down here you have some other templates I would say you can try and use. All you have to do is tap on try option, and it will give you the prompt that they have used and as well the style that they have used to create that image. And do keep in mind you may not get the same exact thing as you're seeing here. You may get a different or a variation of that image. Here as well you have the template option which you can use as well. These are some other logos design which you can use. All you have to do is just tap on the one that you want to use, and you can go here and edit it. You can edit the name and change a few things for it, but you will pretty much use the same style that they have used, the background and everything. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as you can see, you have different categories as it relates to the logo templates here. So it all depends upon what you want and what you're looking for. As I can see, I have 3D logos as well. It all depends upon what you want, guys. So that's pretty much it for that. There you have the AI model option, which I've already discussed. And if you're going to get the pro subscription, then you're going to need to tap on the pro option at the top there, which pretty much can you to the subscription page. You can see what to be getting and their prices for their subscription. So very easy application to use. And if you still do not understand or something that you do not understand in this tutorial, please comment below and I'll see if I can help you out with all of you guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.